Hello everyone, Homeopathy Heals again welcomes you in the today's video. In the previous video, we have already discussed the drug picture of Tarantella cubensis and Pyrogen. So in this video, we will be comparing these two drugs with other remedies of Materia Medica. So let's get started. In Tarantella cubensis, just a quick review, we have studied that there are septic conditions, there are pains of death, patient rather prefer to die than suffer. There is malignant suppuration and the skin becomes hard, indurated, the affected part. There is purple hue, there is burning, stinging, and clinical conditions like gangrene, abscess, carbuncle and senile ulcers can be treated with Tarantella cubens. Similarly, the other drug which comes in the comparison is arsenic album, where the pustules are malignant and there is lot of burning, swelling and edema. Discharges of arsenic are very much offensive. It can also be given in case of epithelioma of skin, gangrene, which is better by hot application. Do remember the modalities which makes remedy different and very much easy to prescribe. Another remedy which comes up is Apis mellifica. Apis mellifica, very well known, prepared from honey bee sting. So it can also be given in the same case in the carbuncles where the surface of skin is sore, sensitive to touch. There is rosy hue erysipelas and there is a stinging kind of pain and better by cold application. Next remedy which comes up in the comparison is anthracinum. Anthracinum has septic inflammation, carbuncles, malignant ulcers and there is terrible burning. Such burning you can compare with arsenic. There is abscess and all the inflammation of connective tissues. The blisters are black and blue in color and dissecting wounds like insect bite or sting or even the irritation of any plant can also be covered by anthracinum. Even the bad effects of any foul odor, anthracinum is very well indicated. Next remedy is Myristica seborrheica. It has very great antiseptic properties and it controls the infection which comes on later after trauma. Even the inflammation of middle ear, where middle ear is in suppurative stage, think of Myristica. What symptom or what peculiarity of Myristica which I like, that it is even powerfully active than Silicea and Hipersulf. So when Hipersulf and Silicea, they are done with their action and patient is not getting satisfactory results, think of Myristica. Next remedy which we have already discussed is Pyrogen, and Pyrogen is prepared from, as we have discussed about septic pus. Small cut or injury, they become swollen, they become inflamed, and it is a very good remedy where the septicemia occurs with cardiac arrhythmias, pulse is abnormal and there is intense restlessness. Next remedy is Crotalus horridus, which is prepared from rattlesnake, and snakes have a tendency, to decompose blood. Chemically, their poison has cyanates and hydrates. So it is very well indicated in low septic fever where there is general disorganization of blood, there is hemorrhage, there is sensitiveness in the right half of the body, when there is bad effects of vaccination, where there is clinical conditions like lymphanginitis or septicemia is present. The important feature of Crotalus horridus is it is relieved the sensation, the soreness which we are not at all relieved in Pyrogen, here in Crotalus are relieved by pressure. Next remedy is gunpowder. You won't find gunpowder easily in source books, but it is present in written in Boric Materia Medica on page 375, where there is suppuration, abscess and big carbuncles are present, can be given for osteomyelitis, lymphanginitis and ailments after blood poisoning. Do not forget that always prescribe gunpowder in lower potencies. Next remedy being echinacea. Echinacea is known as corrector of blood dyscrasia. It's also a remedy for blood poisoning and the cases where there are recurrent boils, carbuncles or follicles, they are appearing again and again even after when well selected remedy is not giving the desirable results. So it has tendency of malignancy in acute and subacute cases. In case of last stage of cancer, it can also help in easing pain. The discharges are offensive and patient is markedly debilitated, just like arsenic album. The old tibial ulcers and gangrene can easily be taken care of with echinacea. I hope you have liked this video. Share among your friends, hit the like, write in the comment section. Stay fit, stay healthy. Homeopathy heals.